Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time it is a short Amazon haul video wherein I have 5 books ordered from Amazon. So I thought of sharing it with you. So yeah, let's move forward and start unpacking. This is of immense pleasure to unpack a book. Okay, so this was a very random buy. Okay, so our first book is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. So this is basically a self-help book. The description that caught me to buying this book was there was one thing in this that there are very big peoples, like we have Larry Page, we have many famous personalities. So we must not copy them. We must add something familiar. We should do our research in anything, any field. So this book believes or has a saying, or as in the description that I read, was following or copying any big people or any some strategies or some ideas that anybody has already written is going from 1 to n, but creating your own research that nobody has ever experienced in that field is like going from 0 to 1. So this book will clear that step. So I found this interesting and bought it. So good condition book, not a huge book, 200 pages into the book. I'm checking for the quality. Quality is good, not pirated. There's one thing that if you get books from Amazon, chances of the book being pirated is less than compared to Flipkart, and that is true, and everybody will agree that. Cheap or expensive? A little bit expensive on Amazon, cheap on Flipkart. As the reason says, they sell pirated copies also. So stay aware. Okay, so coming on to the next packet, which has accumulative 4 books in it. So very proudly I've bought very huge books. Let's see till when I read it. So first here we have Clap When You Land by Elizabeth C. Wedo. Oh, what is this type of book? Is it in poem format or what? If you see closely, this is all in this format. Is the content like that or is it in a poem format? Let's see. This doesn't seem pirated to me from any end. All pages are intact, not pirated, good quality. Okay, so this is a fictional book. So basically, this was a story of 2 girls. Misfortunately, both of their fathers die in an accident on the same day, but they aren't aware of each other. The same fate is happening to both of them. In future, they both tend to meet each other and then are separated by a distance. This is what the description says. The 2 sisters are forced to face a new reality in which their lives are forever altered. This was the only thing that they had in common, that their fathers died in an accident on the same day. Now these both girls are both left to grapple and with their grief, their newfound love for one another, and what it will take to keep their dreams alive. Okay, not bad, good story. Let's see. This is so now moving towards the third book, which is a Murakami book, a very famous author. I have heard a lot about Murakami reads, Murakami books over the Bookstagram, over the YouTube, and this one is a famous one from this author, Kafka on the Shore. So this is a thriller book. Quality is good. A long read. Okay. So basically the description says that Kafka Tamura runs away from home at 15 under the shadow of his father's dark prophecy. And on the other side we have Nakata, who is a tracker of lost cats, a little bit awkward, who never recovered from a bizarre childhood, finds his pleasantly simplified life suddenly turned upside down. The very strange thing is the further line. In the parallel universe, cats converse with people, fish tumble from the sky, and many more such things happen. So that there is a savage killing, but the identity of both the victim and the killer is a riddle. That is an interesting part, one of which combined to create an elegant and dream-like masterpiece. This was the things that cats like converse with people, fish tumble from the sky, that were very that fascinated me to getting on to this book. And obviously Murakami reads are very famous, so it was not a loss buying this book. Okay, coming on to the fourth book. Okay, this is a suspense and thriller type genre. Okay, the fourth book is a Stephen King book, that is The Shining. And as those who read books may be knowing that Stephen King is known for his writing in the horror genre, so this book is a genre of horror. Okay, this will be my first ever book in this genre because I've never explored anything, and I started that we should I thought that we should explore something, a very famous, very bestseller book that we have in horror, so we have this. Okay, then there is a sequel to this book named Doctor Sleep. So if I tend to like this book and it goes smooth, then I'll read that one too. So I'll just give you an idea of the description. Danny is only 5 years old, but in words of Mr. Halloran, he is a shiner, a glow with psychic voltage. Okay, when his father becomes caretaker of the Overlook Hotel, Danny's vision grow out of control. As winter closes in and blizzards cut them off, the hotel seems to develop a life of its own. It is meant to be empty. So who is the lady in room number 217? Ooh, creepy. And who are the masked guests going up and down in the elevator? And why do the hedges shaped like animals seem so alive? Somewhere, somehow, there is an evil force in the hotel, and that too is beginning to shine. That will be very interesting to read, and I have decided that I'll read this book in night, especially to get that effect of that horror. Let's see. I'm quite excited. Okay, book number 5 is a very, very big book, and it's again a Murakami book, that is 1Q84, a work of maddening brilliance. Okay, so basically this book is this huge because it contains the complete trilogy in it. A very long read of what, about 1300 pages? Yeah, not pirated, good quality, pages are pure as white, white as milk. Yeah, I'll give a description idea to you all. 1Q, the year is 1Q84, and this is a real world, and there is no doubt about that. But in this world there are 2 moons in the sky. In this world the fates of 2 people are closely intertwined. They are each in their own way doing something very dangerous, and in this world there seems no way to save them both. Something extraordinary is starting. Very good. First of all, the year number is strange. Then there is 2 moons in the sky. That is another strange thing. Then there is something, people doing something dangerous, that is good, but there is no way to save them both. I don't know how this story will go, but interesting. So let's see. So I have tried to buy a mixed type of genres. If you see, I have two suspense and thriller, 1 horror, 1 self-help, and 1 fiction. Self-help has to be there in every buy. That's a golden rule. So I'll keep updating you as and when I start reading or complete reading this book. Do not expect this book to be completed so fast. It will take time. I am also a human. Thank you. So if you like this short haul video, do subscribe to my channel Shubh Rover and keep liking the content, and stay tuned for the review of these books and many more books. Thank you.